Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're smashing those old stereotypes and proving that factory-built homes are not just affordable, they are beautiful, modern, and high-quality structures that compete with custom builds. We're diving into the future of housing with the top 10 best manufactured homes design ideas that blend efficiency, innovation, and style. Get ready to have your mind changed. A manufactured home design refers to a residential structure built entirely in a controlled factory environment on a permanent steel chassis, and is regulated by a strict federal code established by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, HUD, often referred to as the HUD-code. Unlike modular homes, which are built to local state building codes and transported in sections, manufactured homes are transported whole or in multiple sections to the home site, then placed on a permanent foundation. The design process is optimized for efficiency and precision, allowing for streamlined modern floor plans, durable finishes, and features you'd expect in traditional construction, all while adhering to rigorous safety and quality standards. Choosing a manufactured home offers tremendous benefits, primarily rooted in the construction process itself. First and most significantly, cost efficiency. Because homes are built in a factory, labor is streamlined, materials are purchased in bulk, and there are no weather delays, resulting in substantial savings compared to stick-built homes. Second, superior quality control. Factory conditions allow for precise assembly and continuous quality checks at every stage, often resulting in a tighter, better insulated, and more durable structure. Third, speed of construction. The entire process, from factory build to site installation, is drastically faster than traditional construction, meaning you can move into your custom-designed home months sooner. Transforming the exterior of a manufactured home to look high-end and permanent relies on smart decorative choices. The foundation skirt is key. Replace the standard vinyl skirting with attractive, permanent materials like stucco, stone veneer, or decorative block. This simple change instantly grounds the home and enhances curb appeal. Embrace architectural additions. A well-designed, custom-built porch, deck, or portico using quality materials, like composite decking or natural cedar, seamlessly connects the home to the landscape and breaks up the long, uniform facade. Upgrade the accents. Swap out basic light fixtures for large, modern lanterns, and use high-contrast trim colors, like black or dark gray, against a light main siding color, like white or pale gray, to give the home sharp, contemporary definition. The days of boring, cookie-cutter manufactured homes are officially over. The designs we're about to show you feature luxury materials and innovative layouts that defy their factory origins. Here are the top 10 best manufactured homes design ideas that showcase the cutting edge of affordable, custom living. One, the elevated modern ranch with stone accents. This manufactured home presents as a high-end, contemporary ranch. The exterior features a sophisticated combination of materials. Crisp white siding, likely lap or textured panel, contrasted with a significant use of dark, stacked stone veneer on the base and around the entry columns. The home is elevated, and the stone skirting provides a permanent, custom look. The windows are large, square, and dark trimmed, and a simple but spacious wooden deck with a modern railing connects the living space to the outdoors. 2. The classic farmhouse with board and batten siding. A perfect execution of the highly popular modern farmhouse trend. This home utilizes vertical board and batten siding, painted a classic bright white, creating vertical lines that give the home height. The roof features a strong gable over the main entrance. Crucially, a dark gray or black metal roof is used on the porch area, providing a visual contrast to the shingled main roof. The expansive covered porch, supported by thick white columns, is an essential architectural feature that completely disguises its manufactured origins. 3. The clean-lined minimalist box. This design is a masterclass in simplicity, leveraging the efficiency of modular construction. The home is a sleek, rectangular form with a very low-pitched or flat roof. The exterior cladding is a smooth, light gray siding, giving it a minimalist Scandinavian feel. The facade is dominated by large, horizontal picture windows with dark, thin frames, maximizing natural light and views. The absence of ornamentation and the use of a simple, clean concrete walkway reinforce its contemporary aesthetic. 4. The desert contemporary with horizontal wood siding. Set against a natural landscape, this manufactured home uses horizontal wood siding in a warm, natural stain, giving it a rich, organic texture. The roof is a gentle shed style, sloping slightly backward, which is excellent for rainwater harvesting or solar panel placement. The home features a mix of window sizes, including a large, prominent window at the corner, designed to capture specific views. The simple concrete skirting painted to match the earth tones helps it merge beautifully with the arid setting. 5. The traditional home with dormers and bay window. This home proves manufactured housing can look entirely traditional. It features a conventional, symmetrical roofline with two functional-looking dormer windows on the upper section, breaking up the roof plane. The exterior is clad in a classic light yellow siding with white trim. A prominent bay window extends from the main living area, adding dimension and architectural interest that is often absent in simpler manufactured designs. A full-width, railed porch provides a welcoming, permanent entry. 6. The modern cottage with covered entry. A cozy, yet modern manufactured home design. It features a light, muted gray lap siding and a slightly steeper roof pitch, giving it a charming cottage feel. The focal point is the covered entry, which features small vertical wood slats on the columns and walls, a popular modern accent that adds texture and warmth. The home is set above grade, and the wooden stairs and deck are seamlessly integrated, making the transition from the landscape fluid and inviting. 7. The two-tone architectural split. This innovative design uses color and material to define two different sections of the home. The lower half features a dark, rich gray siding, while the upper half is a contrasting, light white. This two-tone treatment adds visual height and modern flair. A strategic, slightly recessed entrance and a vertical band of accent lighting would highlight this architectural division, giving the home a custom, high-end, contemporary split-level appearance. 8. The rustic cabin with metal roof and timber accents. Perfect for mountain or forested settings, this manufactured home is clad in warm, dark wood siding that resembles stained cedar logs or rough-sawn planks. It features a practical, dark standing seam metal roof, known for its durability and fire resistance. The roofline is simple. Large, prominent timber posts are used on the porch area, emphasizing the rustic charm and providing a strong, natural look that makes the home feel substantial and deeply rooted in its environment. 9. The wide open concept with multiple gables. A design clearly built for multiple sections, a multi-wide, to achieve a sprawling footprint. The home features a pleasing complexity in its roofline, incorporating multiple gables that break up the long structure and add dimension. The light gray siding is clean and neutral. The focus is on the integrated covered front patio/carport, which features dark, structural supports, combining functionality with an impressive, grand residential appearance. 10. The clean white modern with deep overhangs. Our final design is an exercise in contemporary elegance. The home is uniformly clad in smooth, clean white siding. The key architectural feature is the deep, dark-trimmed roof overhangs, eaves, and the similar trim around the windows, which provides essential shadow lines and protection from the sun, giving the home a mid-century modern flair. The use of simple, dark geometric outdoor light fixtures completes the sophisticated, high-end look. The evolution of manufactured home design is truly incredible. These are no longer basic boxes. They are efficient, customizable, and architecturally stunning homes that offer a genuine path to affordable homeownership without sacrificing quality or or style. By embracing modern materials, smart additions like decks and skirting, and bold architectural styles, manufactured homes are leading the way into the future of housing. Which of these innovative designs resonated most with you? Are you surprised by how luxurious these homes look? Tell me your favorite manufactured home idea in the comments below. If you're inspired by the quality and design of modern factory-built homes, please hit that like button. It helps us challenge outdated perceptions. And don't forget to subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios and turn on the notification bell for more incredible home tours and design breakthroughs every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.